To create a new document in Photoshop, go to File, down to New, and this will bring up the New Document dialog box. The first thing you should do is to give your new document a name, so name it anything. You can choose between some predefined height and width and resolution things by choosing the preset and then choosing the size that is commonly used. Or if you want to type in a custom size, you simply type in the width and height needed in the appropriate field. You can change the unit of measure that you're working in. For instance, now we're working in inches, but I could change this to pixels, centimeters, millimeters, whatever your job requires. Also, you can change the resolution that you're working in for your document. The color mode determines how your document is going to be used. We'll talk about this more, but in general, if it's to be printed or to be sent to a publisher, you'll want to use CMYK color mode. If it's to be used on a screen or a web device, you'll want to use RGB color mode. You can see there's other different ones that we'll be using later. The final thing to consider is the background contents. This is how your first layer will look. By default, we keep most of them white, but you can change it to a specific color or to have it transparent altogether. Under the Advanced tab, you can change what color profile you're working on. This has to do with the type of screen that you're using or the type of printer that your document will be printed off to. Same way for the pixel aspect ratio. For most of the things we'll be doing, we won't have to change the advanced color profile or pixel aspect ratio. Once you have your document, height, width, and resolution, color mode, everything set up, click OK, and this will bring up your new document.